Wala akong kotse. Kasi kotse.
Dapat ka ba, Victor?
Ang hinang yun.
The crime you two planned seems perfect.
Meron pa sa dulo.
Only the victim is alive and the murderer is not.
Sa highway.
It's a pity you didn't know when you started your game of murder that I was playing too.
Highway daw ng PD boy, highway pa yan.
Whoever my gang is on top. Bitches they claiming they banging that thing that we doing it, but fuck it, it's all your illusions. So what the fuck can I do better? Because I am the man you've been dreaming. Yeah, WB is a city you gonna remember. I'm big enough to put it on it. Thousands of bullets, you're not gonna be our business. Cold as fuck like you motherfucking bitch. Throwing up the sides, go easy like a child. Descended from the heaven, but I wasn't fucking falling. Motherfucking man to try to be the best of my ended up in the front of the ass. I see no one saying, but I'm ilahan it now. Mr. Hiccup, to the belly go brick. Pow, it's a motherfucking sound. God damn, item done. No DIY. Hit this shit, man.
Locked up on the local, rub the bitch around the cops. Looking for the summer, drop me all over my block. Got the wrist, got the pop. Shit, you hit me, what the fuck? Load the shook inside this tubo, hit back in na walang ka. Oh shit, adami gas. Lumiliit na aking style. Lumiliwanag na ang light. Lumiliban na parang kay. Dami na kasi patay, dami na kasi kuhay. Lapat agad sa pagbuhat, dala ko yung magkay. Ano ba talaga ka? No, sama ka ba sa atras? So, libot na libot parang aeroplano, sumabog sa landing paa. No.
Eksena na. Kami umikse na hindi halata. Suntok di pag-ara sa pulsa pa nga. Walang sino-sino to raragasa. Ako sa sagasaan mga ulaga. Iba na tunog, utak na ulog. Sarado yung tenga kami pumatok. Sabog na sabog, sunog na sunog. Pinapausukan hanggang mausog. Players in this motherfucker, alam mo na yun, bitch. Huwag mong sagarin, baka mabuwang. Wasak na wasak, kita mo naman. Unang salpok, pasagan agad. Utak lumipad, di na lumabag. Malamang kabisado mo na agad. Biglang umangat ang mga sigat. Sinagat, dugat, at tali sa ugat. Kumagat, bumakat na malo.
One tap, putang ina mo.
Hey, Archon.
Lahat ng sinasabi mo ka Black One. Isisi mo kakantangan nag-rap. Mahangin na rapper hindi mo tanggap. Okay lang ko sa wag kang umiyak. Hindi share ilaw sa Pinas na ligaw. Rap, iyak pag inabot ng pau. Puro lang hangin pilit yung sigaw. Cut, di ka makakagalaw. The fuck, puro lang puso sulat. Puro funny, bringing you short lola mo nasa kaw. Pinas sa lotro ba nyo sumalangis. Sabi mo kasama sa gete na laging hot facts. Ama di magpagkap ko na max. Dami ngaya ubus aking class. Mga sulat ng obsolete trash.
What? Like how? Kunwari maangas tas puro sigaw. Don't run, don't trip. Kasama yung grupo mo puro hilaw. Stacy, you a lame. Tunog pang babae, the Stacy a name. Before mga click in mag-gang. Alam na nila pag sinabi na gang. Sa kanta mo puro ka lang kapin. Maabutan ka namin ay lakin. Ako tunay na blood sa giblorin. Vera inyo is still you know what I'm rapping between. Para naughty and be that. Nakatutok na